G'day folks, Easy here. I've just been watching a couple of videos of another bloke on YouTube there, and sort of prompted me to just show a bit of stuff that I've got. You know, he's into mechanics and all that stuff. Yeah, I've got rid of a lot of my stuff, but anyway. So this all started out so we could sew horse blankets and that. Anyway, I'll show you. Here we go. I've got a Piaf 30 sewing machine. Now this one here is actually electric drive, and you get underneath it and all that like that. It's quite a good machine. It's all operational. The lights and everything works on it. I haven't got plugged in the power from the shed up top there. Then there's this Singer here. This is a treadle, as you can see, and I can have it all going. It all works. It's a very smooth operation. I prefer these for going through thicker material because, well, actually no, not those. Well, this one here I do for thicker material because it's got more torque being manually operated as this one here, which has quite a rather, it's got a bullet shaped light bobbin. It's quite unique, and it's also got it's a hand wound type machine. So that's how that one there goes, and it tucks away. Yeah, the handle tucks away back out the way like that, and then that one can, oops, we've got to be careful here, that one can go back on the ground, and then the box, the lid sits back on the box like that. Push that in under there, back where it was. Then I've got this one here. Not that, that's not a sewing machine. This one here has like a knee operation type lever, and yeah, they're all working, all of them. So that's a 99 model, I think, and I can't remember exactly what the actually that one doesn't even have a label on it, but here we have a Singer. I think it's a model 32 or something like that. Hang on, it's got a serial number there anyway. But yeah, would be nice to know actually what model this one is. If anybody's got an idea, could help me out. It's got the unique things are this type of spear, sort of like arrowhead bobbin type thing. It looks to me to be a Singer, but I don't know if anyone can see anything. There is a model number there, but that's all I've got. It looks to me to be a Singer. There's no other information up here. But anyway, yeah, that's all I have. Just the paintings, the markings and stuff like that. So no idea what model or year that is. Oh, hang on, it did say the year on the sheet there somewhere. No, I don't know. was a 1909 or something like that, they reckon. Yeah, so anyway. But, you know, with all these sewing machines, you know, you get all these kits and you get all the bits and pieces. I only pay like $100 for one of these machines, and they're just a wonderful thing because they're all manually operated. You know, it gives you the opportunity to go back to days without, you know, electricity and stuff, and we've got heaps of extra bits and pieces in the cabinets and all here that come with the machines. Yeah, so anyway, there you go. Alright, well, anyway, anyone that's into sewing machines and that, maybe you enjoyed it. If you're into mechanics or anything like that, they're like little mechanical models to me, I mean, in some way. But also we're going to functionally use them. So, yeah, alright, well, good talking to you. Hope you liked the video. There's another one. This one here, yeah, it's a Piaf. That's what that is. Piaf, that's for that machine. Yeah. So anyway, alright, I'll see you later.